Hello everybody, and today is a pizza sandwich, which is nothing more than a pizza flipped up on another one. But have you ever done it with like you buy a slice and it's like that gigantic slice and you just bend it over and make like a pizza taco out of it? Right, that's all this is. It's just two pieces. I didn't do nothing special with it. You can put like cheese on top. I did put extra cheese in the middle, so it's like really gooey. But you could put cheese on top and even more pepperonis, you know, layered almost like a pizza lasagna. This is good. Pizza. It ought to be a food group, you know? Oh boy. I had no breakfast. And it's about 15 minutes till 1. All I've had today was 1 cup of coffee. Peach punch. So you know this is tasting good. As much as I love pizza. It's 2 extra cheese pizzas glued in the middle with even extra cheese and crushed red peppers. What a lunch. Not only microwave this, I thought about microwaving it, but then putting it in a pan to kind of stiffen up the outsides. But they came out good. Why take that extra step? You can see whoever docked that pizza, that's where they take that roller with like, looks like little nails in it, puts all those little holes in it. They did it a lot. That's to keep it from blowing a bunch of air bubbles up. Then the cheese oozes off to the other side. They didn't have to do it that much. I mean, keep an eye on your pizza. If one's blowing a big old hole in it, pop it. I don't mind having one of those blow up on my pizza, to tell you the truth. That's what was like super large. Go ahead. I don't know. At a restaurant, you probably have someone complain. Look at my pizza. It looks weird. I don't know how to act. It's weird. I don't know what to do. You can tell there's a lot of peppers in this one. I can feel the burn. I'm chewing it up like I haven't eaten in a year. Or I'm just starving to death or whatever. When I eat by myself, I can't seem to relax. I just find it as something you do to live. You eat to live. You don't live to eat. when I'm eating with somebody, it becomes a little more social. I think it's a little more relaxed. Chatting, talking, you know, chatting, talking, that's the same thing. But you're sharing and by myself, it's like I just want to get it over with, and then I can get on the computer and do something. I'm not going to talk to myself, but I'll talk to you. So how you been doing? I hope life is treating you well. Did you get something to eat? A snack? If you didn't, pause the video. Go get some Fritos or something. Get a Jello. Get a pudding cup. Get a popsicle. Mmm, crunchy. Don't be mad for me calling this a pizza sandwich. I'm going to focus in on it. It loves my face, though. I'm going to focus in on the pizza. Oh, well. It loves my big fat head. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Mmm, yum, 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 yum. This will have hit the spot perfectly. I know I'm being goofy. What a day, what a day. So lately I put on a little bit of weight. I tend to do that toward the end of the summer. I might be a few pounds heavier. I tend to take off weight during the winter. I guess I stay inside and I just cook better. So I put on a little bit of weight. I was going to wear a bow tie. And it felt like when I cinched that up, it was just going to have my fat face squirting all out of it. You lose some weight. Don't have a problem if I lose some weight. Right now, I'm just feeling a little fat. I got some nice vintage bow ties. I like them with my vintage glasses and a fedora. I like the way it looks. I'm not trying to totally replicate like the 40s look or something. Just a general vibe, you know, just not a total recreation, just a little bit of the look. Like right now, I'm wearing some saddle shoes. I like them. Those were popular back when wingtips were popular. I got wingtip shoes. It's like if I dress Western, I got a Western hat that I've kind of modified a little bit. I might wear a Western shirt, but I might wear hiking boots instead, regular belt, not pointy-toed cowboy boots and a big belt buckle. You know, then I feel like I'm doing Halloween, you know. I'm not a cowboy. I'm not living in Arizona or, you know, Texas. I'm not trying to 100% do the style, just flavor of. Right now, I'm just feeling a little fat. I'm just going to feel bad while I'm eating my very fattening pizza. And it was good. I'm actually getting quite full. I think I can get this down. Well. The pizza's gone. Well, it will be. It's a little bit cloudier in North Carolina today, a little bit cooler than it had been, thank goodness. Though as much as I like swimming in sunny weather, we need some rain. My grass is turning, it's struggling. All right, that's it. 100% done. So, get you a couple old pieces of leftover pizza, slap them together with some more cheese and glue them in. Maybe even sprinkle some cheese on top and put some more pepperonis on it. There's a million ways to eat pizza, I guess. Fold a big fat one over. But anyway, pizza folded, a sandwich together, it doesn't matter. It's all good, ain't it? All right. If you liked it, do this. If you want to see some more, hit that sub button. That was great. Thank you for watching. And please come back and see us again, all right? Okay. Goodbye.